Hello boys and girls, today we are going to make candy sushi. And if you've already picked up your packages that we have for the library, you already have your stuff in there. And you can make this however you want to do it. I'm just going to show you a quick way or a couple of quick ways to do it. So you can take your fruit roll-up sheet, which you will have, and your Rice Krispie treat, which you will also have, and you can flatten it out and put it in the center. And then we have different kinds of candy. There's some Starburst and some sour cherries, some little watermelons, and some nerds. You can put whatever you want inside of your sushi. And then we'll get it ready to roll up. And so we'll start this way, and it's a little sticky, but just keep working with it. And then you'll roll it up. Just keep rolling it. The tighter you roll it, the better it will look in the end. So when you get it rolled up like that, and then we'll do another kind. You'll have also some fruit roll-up strips, and you can do one that you put your little Swedish fish on top, and you can wrap it around. And if you eat regular sushi, that is what the little seaweed looks like on the regular sushi. So you'll be able to do it however you want to do it. And we would love for you to send us pictures so we can see what you do, your own creation. And so we'll have those like this. And then we'll do this one. We'll slice it up to see what it looks like inside. And get your mom or dad to do the cutting. You don't want to cut yourself. And it's a little hard to cut because it's kind of sticky and kind of thick. And then if you want, so you have your inside, different colors, whatever you put in there. And if you want, you can put some little nerds on top of that to look like little fish eggs. So there you go. Hope you enjoy. Have a great day.